Today we're going to open this Fundo Shape and Play by HTI. It comes with 16 pieces and it's ideal for children 3 and up. As you can see, it comes wrapped in a plastic and comes with 3 primary colors, Fundo, yellow, blue and red, and it comes with some accessories like scissors, a shaping tool, a bunny shape, a bear shape, a roller, and other accessories that can attach with the roller to create this one and this one. I think it's an ideal starter pack for children to experience the texture of Fundo, and it will enable the kids to have fun exploring different shapes as well. That's a bunny, I think. No, that's a dog, and that's a butterfly as well. So it's important that when you give your children this toy to play with, you dispose of the plastic safely.